everybody, my name is Ed Hafiz. Today, me and my friends are going to talk about annuity and life insurance. Have any of you heard of them? Well, let me explain to you. An annuity is long-term investment that is issued by an insurance company. It is designed to help and protect you from risk of outliving your income. Annuitization process is purchase payment what you contribute will be converted into prepayment that it can last for life. An example of annuity is life insurance. Well, how about life insurance? Life insurance is a type of financial tools to help you accomplish various types of financial goals. Common use of life insurance: to provide dependent family members in case of premature death, to fund certain goals such as child or grandchild college expenses. It is also for your financial security. Next is how life insurance and annuity are related. Well, life insurance companies commonly types of financial institution to offer annuity products. The life insurance company invests the money of the investor and paybacks the return generated from it. The policyholder pay an annual premium to the insurance company, who will pay out a lump sum upon your death. Hi, so next, for example of annuity and life insurance. Well, a life insurance policy is an example of a fixed annuity, which an individual pays a fixed amount each month for a predetermined time period, typically 60 years. Receive a fixed amount stream during their retirement years. It's like a saving for you. Why life insurance is so important to us, and maybe you need one too. Well, let's find out. First, it is a form of protection for you and your family. Next, it can reduce stress during your difficult time. For example, you are going through something, an accident, you are starting a new family, you can rely on this insurance. Next, it is a legacy to leave behind. It is for your future family, for your son, for your grandchildren. An example of life insurance companies in Malaysia are Great Eastern, AIA, Prudential, and many more.
Thank you to my precious friend Mama Hafiz for your amazing introduction. So let's move on to my brand. I'm Risha Dalena binti Mama Hafiz, and I will explain to everyone in details why you should have a life insurance. But before that, did you guys know that life insurance is meant to protect your family financial security when you die? But having just any life insurance policy doesn't cut it. A policy lacking in coverage of a long enough term life can leave your loved ones struggling financial after they die. So due to that, I provide you guys two bonus statements. The first one is take care of your loved ones. The second one is pay your debt. And the third one is leave an inheritance. So let's move on. Let's see each of your points then. So take care of your loved one is my first point. Your partner, your spouse, your children, or your aged parents, or other dependents means their life will go on if you are not longer around. To do that, includes preparing an increased cover for your family's day-to-day household expenses such as houses, utilities, and education. No matter where you live, the cost of living will only get higher if you are primary breadwinner. Then life insurance will ease the financial burdens and stress that your absence will bring. Even though the future may seem distant and disconnected, it's always good to have a sound financial plan now to back up your income for your family who will need it. So my second point is pay your debt. That doesn't have to mean that. Depending on the type of life insurance, term or whole, the cash value of your policy can be used to service the money you owe to financial institutions or card companies. In this way, you don't have to worry if your loved ones will face a struggle to pay the mortgage or have to downsize to a smaller, less comfortable home. Online calculators like the dependent protection and liability calculator can help you to calculate how much your dependents, whether children or adults, needs. So my third point, leave an inheritance. Don't be discouraged if you find that you don't have any assets to leave your offspring at the moment. Life insurance allows you to name your beneficiaries, so if and when you can't be there to see them through various milestones, you can set them to receive a good education, have the capital to start a business, or give them a head start in saving for their own future. Even children. Without owning property or having an elaborate trust fund set up, you can leave your legacy for your children.
Okay, thank you Misha Dalena for the wonderful explanation of the slides. Okay, so for my part of the explanation, I've made a question about Mr. Engelbert, who is a 45-year-old marketing manager with a monthly wage of 13,420 ringgit. So Mr. Engelbert wants to apply for life insurance to avoid any future financial obligations. So SA Insurance offers Mr. Engelbert 576,000 ringgit for the next 20 years and promises him a 12% compounded monthly return if he were to pass away after the period of the payment. So as you can see in the slides is the question that's related to the statement I told you just now, and also I'll show you the solution to the questions. Okay, so for my part of the explanation, I've made a question about Mr. Engelbert, who is a 45-year-old marketing manager with a monthly wage of 13,420 ringgit. So Mr. Engelbert wants to apply for life insurance to avoid any future financial obligations. So SA Insurance offers Mr. Engelbert 576,000 ringgit for the next 20 years and promises him a 12% compounded monthly return if he were to pass away after the period of the payment. So as you can see in the slides is the question that's related to the statement I told you just now, and also I'll show you the solution to the questions. Okay, so next I'll hand over to Shushi. Thank you.
Thank you to my beloved friend that is explaining about the life insurance bird. And now I, Muhammad Danish, will proceed to the conclusion. So the conclusion is insurance is a large investment and you will most likely purchase multiple policy throughout your lifetime. It is a situation that you know what each type of insurance cover and how it works, so you can make the best decision about what to buy. Do not base the decision on what is cheapest, but look at what is provided. Take the time to shop around and find the right insurance for your situation. People often say that cannot afford not to have it. It can save them from $1,000 or more in their unplanned expenses when an unexpected situation arises. You do not want to waste your money on policy that do not meet your need, but the right insurance policy can protect you and your family from unseen disaster. Thank you. That's all for me, and thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss Anis.